If you've got a really dirty rug and you really don't want to put it in the washing machine and get your washing machine all dirty, here's a method we use all the time. Instead of draining all that clean water down after you take a bath, clean something that needs cleaned. You can see all this stuff flaking off the back. I don't want that in the washing machine, and I don't want dirt like this in with my good clothes. Now this mat's so dirty, we have to fill up the tub just a little bit each time. Not a lot of water, just until it's clean. And you don't need any fancy shampoos. A bar of soap works fine. Once the water's filthy, go ahead and wring it out, rinse the tub, and go with another cycle. Keeping things clean is a lot of work, but it's worth it. Now the last cycle, we're not getting a lot of dirt out of it, so we're done. Now we'll typically throw it over an old chair and just let all the water drain out, then throw it on a radiator and let it dry out. So if you got a dirty rug, this is how we clean them up. Well, I appreciate your time and thanks for watching.